There are different types of customers that approach us, from the individual gym owner to the Fortune 500 CEO. We work with each customer on an individual basis, depending on what their needs are. We figure out what those are, and then we cater to them specifically. I'd say the thing that sets all the way aside from some of our competitors uh, is the customer service aspect of things. Basically, we're always accessible. We answer questions very quickly. We always have good relationships with our clients, whether it's going to see them, shake their hand, taking them out. If they need something, they know that they can always get in touch with us. Not only that, we have great pricing, and also great turnaround. And on top of it, we have individual, unique taste because we use the highest quality ingredients and also the best quality proteins.